How to fix the problem of error saving contact. If you are facing error while saving or deleting contact, then here's how to fix the issue. Firstly, on your device, open the Settings app. In Settings, you will see different options like this. Select the option General by scrolling down. Then go to the option iPhone Storage. Now go to the search bar on the very top and search for Contacts. Then click on Offload app. This will delete all the unnecessary data from the Contacts app. Now go back to the Settings main page and select your Apple ID at the very top. Inside your Apple ID, you will see the option iCloud. Click on that. Now check your storage at the very top. If your storage is full, then try deleting some of your data. After clearing the space, go back to your previous page. Now again, select the option General. Here scroll down to the very bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now reset all of your settings. To do this, you will need to enter your screen time passcode. After resetting all of your settings, then go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. After restarting your device, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.